Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we got another repair. 2001 Chevy Blazer 4.3, needs an alternator. All the one's toast. She's only charging somewhere around 13 something volts and a little bit less whenever it's going down the road. Battery died, had to charge it. Battery's brand new, went and had it tested. Alternator's junk. So here's the new alternator. Newer, went to the junkyard, picked this up, 20 bucks. So we're gonna throw this on. I already had it tested and it's charging just fine. So tools you're gonna need is a ratchet, one that extends like I have, or you can actually get the serpentine belt tool. But you gotta go down here where the tensioner is. There's a little slot right here. My finger goes in. This right here fits into, and you're gonna push the tensioner that way in order to take the belt off. So you're gonna go this way, which takes it off. Just pull the alternator belt off. You don't have to take the whole belt off. Alright, got the belt off. We're gonna go ahead and disconnect the battery, negative side. Alright, there is two 13s that hold this alternator on. One right here, one right here. It's as simple as that. There's the first one. It's a long bolt. The second one should just come right out. They are the same size, so you can't mix them up. Get a flathead screwdriver. Potentially, I'm just going to stick it in here on the side and go up with it, like that. Both sides. Should do that. Whew. This one's kind of hot because it just got done driving. I believe that's a 13 mil as well. Yep. Make sure the battery's disconnected before you do this. And lastly, connector right here. You're going to go up with it and slide it out. Just like so. Pull this one out, put the new one in. Get your new one and put it right back in place. So, first of all, I'm mistaken, I think this is a brand new one anyway. Yeah, there's a sticker, remanufactured. So, pretty much plugging it back in, the bottom, and then hook up the wire, put the nut back on, snug her down. You don't want that one to turn. So if it turns, put a 13 in between, and then snug it down. You don't want to overdo it. Put the cover back on it and set her back down in her spot. You may have to kind of work it back and forth because there is these coupling washers that fit the space in between. You can take it out, take a flathead and move the see these guys right here? These. You gotta pull them out a little bit to fit the alternator in. Put the bolts back in and tighten it up. Now, if you do that, start wrapping the belt back on. this could be the difficult part. Alright, double check everything, make sure everything's good. Look at the battery, which I've already done. The belt is back on. Pretty much just center the belt. Make sure they're in every of the grooves. If you can't get it on up here or here, then you've probably got it off on one of the grooves down there below. Alright, let's fire it up, see what it does. There you go. Smooth sounding, burn like a kitten. Brand new belt as well, brand new outer pulley. That's pretty much how you replace an alternator. Your 2001 Chevrolet Blazer 4.3. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't like it, do it anyway. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the bottom. I'll try my best to get to them. And as always, consider subscribing and make sure you have the notification bell on, so every time I upload, you get the notification. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more. Comment like this.